Let's go over some tips on the Bulgarian split squat. So we're going to want to start standing in front of a bench with our feet about hip width apart, and then step forward from the bench. I generally find that about 2 to 3 steps is a great place to start for most people. Now from here, I'm going to take one of my legs and place the top of the foot and just the top of the foot on the bench behind me. Then square my hips towards the front of the room and think about keeping an upright torso with a very, very slight forward lean. From there, I'm just going to squat down and look to see where my ankle is in relation to my knee. In an ideal situation, my knee will be slightly in front of my ankle. So if it's super forward or super behind, all you want to do is adjust your distance from the bench. From there, we just want to squat up and down. And if you find that your knee is coming inside of your toes while you're squatting, just think about pressing that knee outward so it stays in line with your toes the entire time. And it ends up looking just like this.